Couplers on John Deere L-Series utility class wheel loaders are designed for better debris cleanout. A coupler lock indicator identifies when the coupler is locked and ready for operation. With the push of a lever, Return to Dig returns the bucket to a preset position. Bucket and fork attachments can be leveled from either the dump or curl positions, making operation smoother and reducing cycle times. Two Return to Dig settings can be programmed to any position through the Sealed Switch Module, SSM. To adjust the Return to Dig setting, place the bucket in the desired position, then press and hold the Return to Dig button until it beeps. Automated Bucket Vibrate slightly shakes the bucket for greater control when unloading a specific amount of material. Beef and feedlot operators can easily meter when dumping loose materials into hoppers or feeders, limiting waste and overfeeding. Operators in utility applications can easily fine spread gravel or other material. Constant auxiliary flow hydraulics allow the operator to continuously run attachments without having to hold a lever or roll. Flow rate is adjustable from the monitor for different attachments. Throttle lock allows the operator to maintain engine speed without having to hold the throttle pedal. Throttle lock may be used to warm up a cold machine or to provide continuous hydraulic flow to an attachment. Throttle lock provides convenience in transport operations and deactivates when the brakes are engaged. There are two settings for Auto Shift. Auto 1D allows the transmission to automatically downshift to first gear and upshift to the maximum gear selected by the operator. Auto 2D downshifts only to second gear. This is beneficial in loose loading applications where the rim pull of the first gear is not needed. When using either setting, the transmission will default to start in second gear. Use of the kickdown feature will always allow the transmission to shift to first gear, even in 2D. Transmission kickdown is useful when approaching the face of a pile in which using first gear is anticipated. With this feature, the operator can get to first gear faster to quicken load time. When equipped, the lockup torque converter will be enabled in gears 3 through 5, regardless of the SSM switch setting. The switch controls the lockup torque converter in second gear only. When performing load and carry or transport operations, it is recommended to always enable this feature. For V-pattern loading operations, the lockup torque converter may be applied in second gear, which will affect the rise-run performance of the machine. Therefore, it's recommended to turn off the lockup torque converter when operating in this application. Adaptive clutch cutoff neutralizes the transmission when the operator has put the machine in gear and the service brake is applied, allowing the engine to power the hydraulic pumps. Ride control cushions the boom under heavy loads for a smoother ride. When operating over rough, ungraded surfaces, lower ride control speed settings are recommended. Ride control can be turned off, turned on, or set to automatic mode. In automatic mode, ride control is automatically controlled, shutting the feature off at a preset speed, which is beneficial when digging in a pile or dumping into hoppers or trucks.